Why were you looking for someone with the brains and the capacity? Ano po yung trabaho na ibibigay mo po sana sa taong iyon?
Because drug money is Alam mo, that is why we are not succeeding, because drug money is supporting the syndicate. Madali ang pera. Nagpibigay ng pera yan. Huwag na tayo magbulahan dito. Kaya tayo hindi nagsasucceed kasi ang money, madali ibenta sa mga bata. And, you know, they bribe.
So, Mr. President, you are confirming that you were looking for someone to fill the shoes of a position related to the drug war, because you're talking about drug money and how it corrupts people.
Yes, that is why.
So
that is why sinabi ko, Iglesia ni Cristo.
So, tama
Kasi
po.
ang Iglesia ni Cristo, normally, hindi mo talaga makorap. Hindi natatanggap ng pera, alam ko kasi mayor ako. You cannot easily corrupt a member of the Iglesia ni Cristo who is a policeman or soldier.
Mr. President, so in that case, tama po yung sinasabi ni Colonel Garma, in which you were looking for a person of that sect with those qualities to man your drug war.
It's not man.
To manage your...
It's not man because it's man, it's meaning in command. They were there for an special operation. Gusto nila, they were proposing something because na may nalaman sila pumapasok dyan na droga dyan sa pier na yan.
So, Mr. President, when you were looking for this person, in the person of Colonel Leonardo, although it was not to create a task force, it was for an operation which they were proposing. That is what you are telling us now, Mr.
Yes,
President.
because as sasabi ko, the corruption, madali.
Was this a nationwide scale drug operation?
No, I don't think so.
Would you...
Parang ano lang nila yon, but I suppose that it was not on that scale.